inside, penetration all the way through.
I really like welding because it gives you a lot of different options. That's the main thing to understand, is that there's a lot of different varieties of welding. We break the classes down into 5 main welding processes. Overall, in the program, you're going to get a broad variety of all those skills, and then you can kind of take it the direction, a student can take it the direction they want to.
I took a big interest in cars, and so I wanted to find a career in fabricating, and I really wanted to work on my TIG welding because that's going to be important to the job that I get in the future, and they let me do that.
We have 2 different diplomas in our program. One is the Welding Maintenance and Fabrication. That kind of gives you a basic understanding of all the welding processes.
And then you stay in the puddle.
And then we have the Welding Diploma, which gives you basically a deeper training in the welding processes.
Going from absolutely zero welding experience to knowing how to operate the machines, the safety of the machines, and all the terminology involved in welding. Having no experience and then coming in and learning all of this has been absolutely phenomenal.
We try to keep it 100% hands-on. We'll work in a little bit of a lecture or a discussion about certain processes, but everything usually starts with a demonstration, hands-on demonstration, and then you're in the lab.
The welding lab is great. It's a lot of hands-on. You just kind of like work through it yourself, which I think is really cool because I'm a visual and like kinetic learner, and I really enjoy that aspect of welding.
We really try to keep up on the cutting edge of technology. Some of the new stuff is all computerized. It's all advanced modules, advanced processes. So students are using that every day. They have a better understanding of it, and they can take that right into the workplace.
And we've got all these machines that you see in the workforce in our lab. So that kind of hands-on learning is extremely useful.
All our welding faculty here have also worked in the welding industry. We all have a little different skill set as far as our background, but the neat thing about that is we'll bring that right into our classroom and we can all talk real-world experience. But Gateway is going to provide all the knowledge and skills you need to hopefully bring you to the next level in your career.